Wine emergency. I have Thai food. What do? You get some Gewurztraminer. We're going to talk seriously about this wine because you need to really understand what it is all about. Hey guys, it's Chris. I am back to discuss another very serious topic. The topic of wine emergencies when you're having Thai food or Indian food. What do you do? Well, I mean, this is where Gewurztraminer comes into play. Gewurztraminer is a relatively obscure and misunderstood white grape that is grown in some of the cooler climates in the world, right? Germany, Alsace, France, Finger Lakes in New York, and among other places. I mean, there's plenty of places that you can get it. And we're gonna taste one that is from, which I didn't even look at. This is from the Pfalz region in Germany. Let's do it. Look at that. You heard that crack. That was nice. I mean, this is a serious wine emergency that we're dealing with. You have some Thai food, you want some wine, you have no idea what to do. So you got to go get a Gewurztraminer. White wine, usually, like I would say, light to medium body. It can have some texture. It's not going to be very acidic, though. Something you need to understand. And you know, people, I think if you see the label, right, and you see the name Gewurztraminer, you're like, what the heck is that? I don't even know how to pronounce it, much less what it is. You're going to shy away from it. But I'm here to tell you, you really shouldn't be doing that. You need to be exploring it. Now, if you like a Riesling, you're going to love. I mean, Gewurztraminer is a natural, I guess, next step or partner for it. If you like a Chenin Blanc or some of the other light white grapes or lighter white grapes, you're going to love the Gewurztraminer. Typically, you get a little floral note. There's some peaches and some lychees. It's what is typical. So this one has, it almost smells, it's going to sound weird, it almost smells oily. And like I was saying, some of these can have texture. Oil doesn't smell, but this has it's almost like I'm feeling it at being it's not a sharp sensation going up your nose. It's like a smooth, silky, slippery sensation that I'm smelling. Hopefully I'm making sense. So I get a little bit of peach in this, oddly enough. Yeah, it's heavy peaches. I'm actually getting more like apples, pears, which is not typical. But I'm liking what I'm smelling. A little bit of also honey in the background. Some of the floral notes are there, but they're very, very muted. So let's see what this tastes like. So these are way too easy to drink. I don't know if I said what this wine was. This is a 2021 Valckenberg Gewurztraminer from the Pfalz region in Germany. So, yeah, the peaches are really present. There's, it kind of went away pretty quickly, actually. We'll want to have another sip of that. But the peaches this is all peach, all day. Some of the floral notes sort of blew off. Don't get any of that in the on the palate or in that sensation. Like I said, I had smelled a little apple and pear. Definitely not coming through on the palate. Although that second sniff definitely has some apples in there. So this is somewhat unique in the Gewurztraminer world. Go get yourself some Thai food and have some Gewurztraminer. And report back in the comments. I hope you enjoy these videos. I hope you like what I'm doing. If you do, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. I know that 93.77% of you are not subscribed, those who watch. But I appreciate every view. Just know that. I'll see you soon. Cheers.